So the part two of the conditionality videos, don't worry about it because both of them have been deleted, as these two are re-ups of those two parts. Okay, the first part explained what conditionality is, and this second part is more like the examples. And I know a lot of you will learn really well with the examples, so here they are. Okay, the first sentence reads. Pwede mi mag-agi dito ba sa pikas? Pwede mi mag-agi dito ba sa pikas? Which means, can we or may we or are we allowed to pass by over there in the other side? Right, it has that puede, so it has that whole can, may, we, could, would we be able to, that kind of stuff. It has that uncertainty. And you'll hear that a lot too, the puede. Next one is Uyab ba silang duha? Siguro pero wako sigurado. Okay, so this one is more like saying, are those two boyfriend and girlfriend, or boyfriend and boyfriend, or let's make this gender neutral. Are those two a couple? Are they a couple? Right? Because come on, it's 2019, guys. We have what? We live in a multicultural, multi-gender society, whatever, right? So, uya ba silang duha? Siguro, pero wako sigurado, which means maybe, but I'm not sure. Okay, maybe, siguro, pero wako sigurado, but I'm not sure. Okay? Anak, anhi dinhi. Basin mamaak ang iro, right? Child, or honey, come here, or yeah. Anhi dinhi, come here, child. Maybe the dog might bite, right? Basin mamaak ang iro. So maybe the dog is gonna bite. I don't know. Do we know? Are we 100% sure? No. Basin. That's why. The next one is unsaon kaha mosaka ang tubig sa lababo? Unsaon kaha mosaka ang tubig sa lababo? So how is it perhaps that the water will rise in the sink? Unsaon kaha? It's like, I wonder. How is it, I wonder, or how is it perhaps, or how is it maybe that the water will rise in the sink, right? Mosaka ang tubig sa lababo. That the water will rise in the sink, right? Verb, subject, object, right? So, unsaon kaha mosaka ang tubig sa lababo? How is it maybe, right? The next sentence is, kung niingon ni Lara nga tuak gyud ang legaro sa iyaha, ngano man sa garahe pa, right? Kung niingon ni Lara nga tuag yun ang regalo sa iyaha, ngano man sa garahe pa. It's saying, if Laura said that, if Laura said that the gift is with her, that toa, remember that distance existence relationship, it's toa, which means something is existing away between you and me, but far from you and me, right? Toag yun ang regalo. So the gift is with her, far from you and me, to her, right? Regalo sa iyaha. Then why is it that it's in the garage still, right? Ngano man sa garahe pa. Why is it in the garage still, right? So if then, it has that classic if and then statement. Kung niingon, if Flora said blah 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 blah, then why is it blah 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 blah? You see? The if and then statement. It's a classical conditional statement because we don't know why something is we don't know the reason why for something yet. There has to be a condition that has to be met. Okay? And then the last two are your classic unta puhon examples, and we will talk more about them in a future video. So, lami unta pagbiyahe sa South Africa kung naay kwarta. Sige, magtigom lang kog kwarta. It's really delicious to travel, or lami doesn't necessarily mean like delicious in food, but it can also mean a very sweet experience or a sweet dream or a very good, delicious moment. Okay, so lami unta means like, ooh, it's very nice. Like, if only, right? So lami untag pagbiyahe. If only I could travel, or if only I could express like how much I want it, kind of like a deal, right? Lami unta pagbiyahe sa South Africa kun naay kwarta. It's this sentence is more like how wonderful it would be to travel to South Africa if I had money, or if there's money. Sige, magtibong lang ko kwarta. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna save money then, right? I'll just save money then. Um, or tigom means like to gather, to save money. Tigom of kwarta is to collect or gather money, right? So lami unta pagbiyahe. If only I could. It's like, oh, how wonderful it would be to travel to South Africa if only I had money. So it has that kind of connotation with unta. And then I'll talk more about unta in a future video too, along with puhon. And the last one is with puhon. Bisita na mo mi sa susunod tuig puhon, right? Bisita na mo mi sa sunod tuig puhon. Visit us, y'all visit us next year, God willing. Puhon meaning it's like God willing, or may it be, right? Or in Allah's hands, like may it be in Allah, in Allah's hands, or in Allah's word, may it be in God's hands. Ojalá, right? It's the Spanish way of saying it, but like God willing, right? Or inshallah, right? If only inshallah, right? If God, may in God's hands that you visit us next year. So, because we don't know, is it true that you're gonna come for sure, 100%? Like you already have your plane tickets and everything. So I don't know, right? So, yeah, it has that kind of connotation of God willing, right? And these are just examples. Hopefully, this can clarify a lot of things, right? But these don't have direct translations to each of like the would, could, should, may, possible, can, be able to, hopefully kind of things. You just have to use those as a guideline to help you translate when you're using these conditional triggers.